this video, I am going to teach you how to view a private Instagram account without following them. So viewing a private Instagram account without following it actually violates the Instagram's terms of service, and there are no legitimate methods or tools to do so ethically or legally. So private accounts are private for a reason, and the only legitimate way to view their content is by sending a follow request and having it accepted by the account owner. So what you can do is to search for that specific account and hit the follow button, and then it will says request, or it will say requested. So you just need for them to accept that request for you to be able to follow them and hopefully see their Instagram account. Now, if you don't want them to know that you are following them or you want to follow them, what you can do is to create a new Instagram account with a new name and a different profile picture. So then again, you can just wait until they have accepted or confirmed your request to follow them, and then that will also allow you to see their Instagram account or the content of their Instagram account. So that's basically it. That is the most straightforward and ethical way to view a private account. Again, is to send a follow request, and if the account owner approves, you'll be able to see their content. So I hope this tutorial helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell